The driver? Why? Where is he now? Why is he not here? Why is the driver of the vehicle not with this vehicle after he was driver? Has he got a driver's license? Mate, I'm going to remind you, getting recorded, okay, buddy? Okay, so get the driver back here right now.
You want to talk to him, man?
Mate, I want to talk to you to get the driver. You're the owner of this vehicle.
But he don't want to come here.
The driver? Why? Where is he now? Why is he not here? Why is the driver of the vehicle not with this vehicle after he was driver? Has he got a driver's license? I'm going to caution you, don't have to say or do anything, but anything you say or do, we may use in evidence at court. Do you understand what I say when I say that?
He's coming, man.
He's coming back here?
Yeah.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Okay, what's the driver's name?
Just
Jiskin?
Yeah, just
Okay, remind you again, Senior Constable Hone, that's leading Senior Constable Brown. He's going to ask you some questions in a minute.
Yeah, that's correct.
You still live here, do you, mate?
137 on the way. Where would you like?
No, I'm
Okay, sir. This is an alcometer. What it does, mate, it tests to see if there's any alcohol in your breath, okay? Now, under the Road Transport Safety Traffic Management Act, we're going to request that you subject to a breath of air, okay?
Using this approved device, I'm going to ask you to blow into this tube in one continuous breath until I tell you to stop, okay? So this is the tube I'm talking about, mate. If you put it in the mouth, okay, when I say so, I want you to take a deep breath.
Is that on?
Blow in one continuous breath, okay?
Hang on, mate. 1 sec. No, mate. No. No, mate, we're not. Oh, they are. No, mate. Just look. Okay, mate.
Okay.
Blow into the device, please, sir. Keep going, and stop now.
Okay. 000.
Okay, for the purpose of the recording, this is alcometer 21080. Thanks very much, Sarge. Okay.